I can't. Let me try again.
Yo, this is still going on YouTube. I don't know what that means.
It means I can't breathe. And I'm still hiccuping and I don't know what to do.
Why are your hands up?
I don't know, usually when people choke, they go like this. So if they're choking, they're not breathing. Obviously.
Retard.
So easy to. So what is it?
Checking. Oh, good.
Hey, leave our curtains alone.
Okay, let's go dancing. Tomorrow morning I wake up, I'll still be hiccuping. Because I couldn't not breathe. That's enough for you.
This is funny.
I'm funny.
Yeah, you're like a one-woman show. You dance, you laugh.
Wave my arms up in the air.
You don't even need an audience.
I laugh at my own jokes. Clap at myself.
Roxanne?
Yes?
You say potato?
I say potato. And the hiccups will never stop. Ever.